I'm a golden eagle and I'm introducing Britain's Got Birds.
Okay, I'm going in. Okay.
I am an osprey. I am very rare in Scotland. I catch fish with my powerful claws.
Oh, I'm so dizzy. I'm so dizzy. I'm so dizzy. I'm going to be sick. I'm so dizzy. Go.
I am a tawny owl. I'm the most commonest owl in Scotland.
You're making me dizzy. The old eagle's in it.
I'm Peregrine Falcon. I'm the world's fastest creature and can dive vertically to catch my prey.
I'm a Surreal. I'm an occasional visitor and only visit the northern border of Scotland next to the Highlands. We are under threat because people think we eat their animals. Our habitats get destroyed and people steal our eggs and babies so we can't breed properly. We need your help to survive. If you see anything suspicious, report it to the police.
Action.
Okay, I am dancing because I'm very happy that people are helping birds of prey. Woo! Woo! Hey! Woo!
Okay, is that enough?
Too far out.
Thank you for watching Britain's Got Birds. Tune in next week for more of your favourite birdie TV show. Goodbye.